Today we're going to be looking at partitioning shapes. The shapes are already partitioned for you, but you need to tell me if they're partitioned into halves, thirds, or fourths. And then you're also going to tell me how many equal parts each of the shapes has. So each shape is on the left of the screen. It's a white shape with black lines through it. You're going to move your smiley face to either halves, thirds, or fourths, depending what the shape is divided into. This circle is divided into halves, so I'm going to put it on top of the halves word. Then the second thing I need to do is tell how many equal parts it has. This circle has 2 equal parts, so I'm going to take my green circle and put it over top of the 2. So then I show my teacher that this is a circle divided into halves and has 2 equal parts. Let's do one more together. This one's a square. The square is divided into halves, thirds, or fourths. What do you think? I'm going to put my smiley face on the thirds because it's divided into 3 or thirds. How many equal parts does the square have? It has 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to put it on top of the 3. So that shows the teacher that this square is divided into thirds and it has 3 equal parts. There are 20 shapes for you to practice with, and when you're done with this last one here, you may turn it into Google Classroom.